Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy. This is my third check-in on my 25 in 2025 project pan. This is a rolling project pan, and the goal is for me to use the products in the project 25 times. I've been doing project 100 uses in the past, but this year I wanted to use more products in my inventory, so I decided to just aim for 25 uses. I already hit goal on 3 products in my second check-in, and the 3 products that I hit goal on are the following. So we have here this self-coating foundation. The shade is light, and what I said in my check-in is that I didn't really enjoy using this. And then the Into It eyebrow powder, I've already used that in the past, so I decided to repurchase that one. And lastly, this Pink Flush lip gloss, and this one I enjoyed using. So these are the 3 products I hit goal on in my second check-in. For this check-in, I hit goal on several products. So let me start with the face primer. I have 2 face primer and I hit goal on one of them. Starting with this Eliana Blur makeup primer. For this one, I now hit goal on this one. I was at 15 uses last time. And then for the other face primer, which is this Mary Kay Honey Glow Finisher, I am now at 19 uses. I was at 13 uses last time. So this is going to be out of the project, and this will stay. And then the next product is the replacement of the foundation I had. I rolled in the Etude House Double Lasting Foundation. So this one, I am now at 13 uses. So I've used this 13 times. And then the concealer, I only have one concealer in the project, and it is this Sansan concealer. For this one, I am now at 25 uses, so I also hit goal on this one. I was at 17 uses previously. And then for the bronzers, I have 3 bronzers or contour product in the project, and now I have hit goal on all of them. These are the 3 products in the project. Let me start with the Mega Glow Contouring Palette from Wet n Wild. I was at 12 uses previously, and this is what it looks like after using this 25 times in this project. But what it looks like is more than 25 uses because I've worked on this in the past. And then the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, this is what it looks like after 25 uses. This one definitely because I only started working on this or using this in this project. For that one, I was at 14 uses last time. And then the Careline Contour, this one, I had more uses in my previous check-in. I was at 23 uses, and now I've hit goal on this one. I mean, just 2 uses, right? So definitely I've hit goal on that one. So I'll be rolling in a number of bronzers later. Then for the blushes, I actually have 5 blushes in the project. I have this cream blush. This is the Alouette face paint. And then I have a mineral powder blush from Bella Pier. I have this Milani Romantic Rose powder blush. And then I also have a Franken blush. And lastly, this Careline blush. All of this I've used since my previous check-in, but I only hit goal on 2 blushes. I've hit goal on the Milani Rose powder blush. This one I was at 17 uses last time. So this one definitely more than 25 uses, at least 125 uses, because I know I've worked on this in a project 100 uses in the past. And then the Franken blush. This one, I've now hit gold on this one. This is a fairly new Franken blush. And I like this two both. I like this two blushes. These three still in the project, but I'm also almost there for the care line because I'm now at 21 uses rather for this one. And that's what it looks like. So this one, I also just started working on that in this project. For the Alouette, I am now at 19 uses. And then for this Bella Pierre Rose Mineral Blush, Powder Blush, this one I am at 9 uses. So this one I've used the least since my previous update because I only use this 4 times versus the Careline and the Alouette. Oh, for the Alouette, I also only use this 4 times. But this is quite easy to use actually. There's not much effort versus this one. And then for the highlighter, I have 2 in the project. I have this Becca highlighter and the Urban Decay highlighter. This one I already hit pan in my previous check-in. And for this check-in, I have expanded the pan. For the Becca highlighter, I've now hit gold on this one. And that's what it looks like. I actually enjoy using this over this one, but I like both. In terms of preference, what I notice is I prefer the golden shade highlighter. So for this Prosecco Pop, I was already at 18 uses. And then for this one, the Urban Decay, I only used this 5 times and I was at 10 uses last time. So I'm now at 15 uses and this will stay in the project. And then for loose powder, I only have 1 in the project and it is this Studio Makeup finishing powder. This one, the shade is pearly white. That's how I would describe this. And I did mention that I like this one, but I've not really been reaching for this. I only used this 7 times. I was at 8 uses last time, and now I am at 15 uses. So this will stay in the project. And then for the eyebrow powder, so I've already hit gold on the Into It eyebrow powder, and I rolled in this one. This one, there are 2 products here, but I'm only focusing on this. I'm counting this as 2 products in my inventory, and I'm just focusing on this one. And for this Nichido eyebrow powder, I am now at 14 uses, this side. Last year, I actually worked on this one, but I only focused on the right side. So that is what it looks like after 100 uses. And this is what it looks like after 14 uses. And then next would be an eyeshadow. It's a single eyeshadow. It's a golden shade. And this is Baxi. I've been using this as an eyeshadow topper or a highlighter. And so far, I've now used this 17 times. For this check-in, I only use this 5 times. So this is quite good. I've already hit gold on the Becca. When I hit gold on that one, I've actually reached for this as a highlighter rather than an eyeshadow topper. And then for the eyeliner, I have 1 in the project and it is this one. This is a Ever Bilena eyeliner. And I already hit gold on this one. So it's now 25 uses. Last time I was already at 20 uses, so only 5 uses needed. Sorry, no, 21 uses. So I just need to use that 4 times. And then for the lip liners, there are 2. I have the Essence lip liner and the Jonte Blue lip liner. For both of these, I haven't hit gold on them yet. For the Essence lip liner, I am now at 13 uses. And then for the Jonte Blue, I am now at 16 uses. I haven't really been reaching for this too. I do not like this Jonte Blue. It's a bit hard. I prefer softer lip liner. And this one, I think, well, I thought lip liners wouldn't go bad, but it doesn't look like it is at its prime because I had this for quite some time already. And then for this Jonte Blue, I think it's been that way ever since. It is a bit stiff. And then for the lip gloss, so I've already hit goal on the Pink Flash. I rolled in a lip gloss as well, and it is the Mary Kay lip gloss. And for this one, I am now at 17 uses. So I've been using the lip gloss as a topper rather than on its own most of the time, and that's the reason why I've used this more frequent than my other lipsticks. I actually had a number of lip products. So I've already shared with you the 2 lip liner and a lip gloss. And the remaining, I have 4 more lip products. Let me start with the Matic Lip Crayon. This one. This is also quite old already, and I already hit goal on this in this update. This is what it looks like. I didn't enjoy this as much as I did with the other Prismatic Matic lipstick. I actually had another one which I managed to use up. This one I was at 19 uses last time. The other one is called Life, but this is no longer available, I believe. Then the other ones, I have a bullet lipstick, and it's from Etude House. This one, I worked on this in a Project 100 uses, I believe, last time. And this one, I was at 12 uses last time. And now, I've hit goal on this one. And then I have a liquid lipstick. This is matte liquid lipstick. The Beauty Now and Next. The shade of this is Ambitious. This one I was at 19 uses. So it's similar to the Crease Matte lipstick. So I've now hit goal on that as well. And lastly, this Wet n Wild Mega Last Bullet Lipstick, I am now at 13 uses. So this will stay in the project. But I'm rolling in several bullet lipsticks in the project. So let me just share with you the products that are still in the project. I believe I've shared with you 25 products already. So this will stay in the project. We have the Mary Kay Honey Glow Finisher, the foundation. I have these blushes. So 3. And then a highlighter, a single eyeshadow, these 2 lip liners, the loose powder, an eyebrow powder, this bullet lipstick, this lip gloss, and there should be 13 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are the products from the previous check-in that will still be in my next check-in. There are 13 here, so I'm going to check in at least 12. I say at least 12 because I'm checking in more. And the reason behind is that, like for the blushes, I just needed 30 uses in total for these 3. So it's like an average of 10, or it's equivalent to a little over 1 product. So I'm rolling in more. And then for the lip products, it's equivalent to like as if I've already used up 1. So I'm adding more. Basically, I'm adding more. to simplify it. Okay, the products I'm rolling into the project. Let me start with the primer. Well, it's not really a primer because I only have two primers. I'll continue using the the Eliana Blur Makeup Primer. The one I'm rolling in can be used as a primer, is a sunscreen. And it is this one, the Biore UV Aqua Rich Light Up Essence. This has SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus. So I'm going to use this as a primer. And then the concealer, I've hit gold on the Sansan concealer. So I'm introducing a concealer which I worked on in the past in my Project 100 uses. It is this one, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So I'm now going to use this one. And then for the bronzer, I had three and I'm going to have three in the project. There would be three. Let me start with the number 7. This one, I actually worked on this previously in my Project 100 uses. So that's what 100 uses looks like. So I'm going to work on this 25 times. And then the other two are actually part of a trio or a duo. Starting with this Pure Bronze and Brighten. So I also worked on this last year as part of my Project 100 uses. This bronzer, I actually enjoyed using this last time. And then the other bronzer will be part of the Pink Sugar Sweet Cheeks. This one, I haven't tried this one yet. And it's this one. Looks like from the shade, I might enjoy this one. And then for the blushes, I'll be using this blush. So this will be part of the project as well. Also from Pink Sugar. The shade here is Miss Independent. This shade is Miss Independent and this is Morocco. I think this will be a bit similar to the Milani Rose powder blush. And the other blush would be from the Pure Bronze and Brighten. This shade. This is I've also used that one 100 times already. And the shade is Blushing Glow. And then I have two more blushes. So I actually am bringing in several blushes in the project because I have several and I would like to be able to work on them eventually. And this is from Wet n Wild. This is Pearlescent Pink. As you can see, this is still in its old packaging. So this is quite old. And I've tried this only a few times. This can probably replace this one, but this has more shimmer. And then a liquid blush. This is the Juicy Pang blusher. This one I've already tried using and it doesn't really show up on my cheeks as much as I thought it should, or based on my expectation. So those are the blushes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 blushes. I have 3 bronzers, right? So 1, 2, and 3. I forgot to mention that I'm also going to roll in a highlighter. It is a replacement of the Prosecco Pop from Becca. And the highlighter that I'm going to work on is from the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. So the middle shade, that is the highlighter that I'm adding into the project. And then last, two more category. One is the replacement of my eyeliner. I'm bringing in this Lancome eyeliner, this one. And that's what it looks like. This one is not dry yet, but this is quite old. So I was just surprised that the lip liners are not as good as this one. This is quite soft actually, the Lancome eyeliner. I wasn't expecting that, but I'm happy it is. It's a call. It is said I think this is Kohl. Noir. That's a color. Yeah, there. Le Crayon Kohl. And then the lip products. And I'm going to bring in 4. 3 of them are bullet lipsticks and they're all from Wet n Wild. So this is Mauve Alba here. I actually have 2 of this and I haven't opened the other one or haven't used the other one. So yeah, this is Mauve Alba here. And then this one is Think Pink. This one probably I'll use more as a topper because I did use this in the past and I didn't quite enjoy it. And lastly, this one is Cherry Picking. So this is perhaps similar in shade with the Etude House. And lastly would be a replacement of the Beauty Now and Next matte liquid lipstick. I have another Beauty Now and Next matte liquid lipstick, and this one, the shade is Fiery. So this is a red shade. So these are the products that I will have in the project. Let's count how many. So I had 13. And then I added this 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So there's still 25 actually, but in reality, there are more than 25 because some of the products here I count in my inventory, I count them individually. Like this Bronze and Brighten, this is counted as 3 products. The Pink Sugar, that's counted as 2 products. But anyway, these are the products that I will be working on. And hopefully in my next check-in, I've hit goal on many of them. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!